Are you experiencing error code 800700E while using a specific app on Fire Stick? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire Stick. Error code 800700E on your Fire Stick mostly occurs due to corrupted data and issues with app permissions. When you are getting such an error code on a Fire Stick device, first restart the Fire Stick. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. To do so, turn off the Fire Stick. Unplug your Fire Stick from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Make sure the internet connection is stable. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected to the internet. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 3. Restart router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching to a mobile hotspot to see if it improves the connection. Method 4. Check for software updates. Open Fire Stick settings. Then navigate to My Fire TV and select it. Then select About and check for updates. If available, download and install the updates. Once you have installed the update, restart the Fire Stick and then relaunch the app and check. Method 5. Delete app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications, then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app as an example. Select Clear Cache, then Clear Data as per your system settings option. This can help improve and remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 6. Reinstall the app. You can try uninstalling the app on which you are getting the error, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 7. Reset Fire Stick. If the error persists, consider resetting your Fire Stick. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset when prompted. Note that this will erase all the data on the device. And there you have it, the ways to fix error 800700E on Fire Stick. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.